Okay, hello guys. So we're giving away a fruit for 2,000 likes. Here, put out this one, 28. Here, and this is my friend Jan, aka Rip Gardens, and he's also going to give out a queen bee and a huge dog for 2,000 likes. And maybe we can add a bald eagle. Wait. Bald eagle here. And it's big. 2,000 likes. Okay? Wait. Yeah, and two owls for 2,000 likes. Comment your username and we'll just pick a winner. Add us and we can join you. This is my username right here. Sargenchi and Rip Garden. Good luck to the winner, and to those who think that it's a scam, it's not a scam. So if you think it's a scam, then you think it's a scam. You just say it. We're not calling you a liar. Okay, so giveaway, guys. Yeah. And like we'll give you a fruit. Like, wait, I'll look in my page. Okay.
Ako si date kaya sa may trado na bay. Sa may atagaso di ka bay. Taga sa di ka bay. Taga ayaw ba? Ano bit?
Na?
Kaya ate bay.
Yeah. So. And those girls who want flamingo, come to us. But here, like now, we can't give a pet yet because here, pet gifting is disabled right now. Please check back later. So maybe tomorrow in the update, we can trade you. And like, guys, we have offer for my pets. Here, this one. And I think he wants to trade you, Garden.
Giveaway at 2,000 likes.
Yeah, giveaway. And we could also give you like moth, peacock, seal too.
And ping me.
Just
like and subscribe.
yeah, and comment your username down below.
And we can add you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, see you. Peace.
See you. Peace out.